Personally, I would advise anyone who is facing medical issues and they don't know how to go about things and where to start from. So your answer would be Medivisor because they are really helpful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Zahira and I am wife and attendant of Mohamad Izran. We are from Lautoka, Fiji. Izran was diagnosed with rheumatic heart disease back in 2001 and had already had a valve repair done. But given over the years, his health has been up and down. But given this year, he had a lot of health issues around media. Something related to his previous issues. So he had shortness of breath, trouble sleeping, heart palpitations. So upon reaching Lautoka Hospital, they told us that his heart health has been deteriorating and required surgery as soon as possible. So our best option was to get it done somewhere out of the country because valve replacements are not done in Fiji. So we got to know Medivisor through my sister Fiona in New Zealand. She had arranged everything for us and then we got in touch with the Lautoka office. So from there, they had arranged our visa and medical clearance and everything to arrive in India. And everything was done within a week's time. We arrived Delhi airport within that week's time and they greeted us. They dropped us off at the hotel and from there they guided us to the hospital. They did everything for us. All we had to do was just travel and go. Personally, I would advise anyone who is facing medical issues and they don't know how to go about things and where to start from. So your answer would be Medivisor because they are really helpful. We have, ever since we have been here, we have not once felt that we are alone. It's something like home, away from home. They have been really supportive from drop-offs to pickups, from food to even consoling us that everything will be okay given we are away from our country. And it has been an emotional and a scary experience, but we have pulled through because Medivisor has always been there every step of the way. And I would like to thank the ground team of Medivisor, Dr. Shima, Shushant Bhaiya, Deepak Bhaiya, Megha, and a special thanks to Rohit Bhaiya for always being there. Thank you so much.